Welcome. In this video I will tell and show you what to do if your Logitech MX Master 4 buttons are unresponsive or double clicking. First of all, check for dirt or debris under the buttons, left and click buttons I mean. Use a small soft brush or a can of compressed air to gently clean around the buttons, blowing out any trapped particles. Be careful not to insert anything sharp or forceful that could damage the button mechanisms. Also make sure to not use any metallic tools and do not use anything that can break inside your mouse and will eventually make everything, your situation even worse. Also, you can use compressed air to clean button mechanisms, as compressed air is effective for loosening and removing finely lodged dirt inside button mechanisms. So to do this, you have to hold your mouse at an angle and spray short bursts around each button throughout cleaning without disassembling with the mouse. And if nothing helps you, nothing I mentioned, then maybe it is a software problem. In such case, you have to update firmware and software, and to do that, you have to open the Logi Options Plus application on your computer. So let's search for it. Okay, here it is. Click on your mouse in Logi Options Plus application, then go to Settings and click Check for Updates right here. And if you have any updates to install for your mouse, then take your time, download and install them on your computer, and at this point your problem should be resolved. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.